What's up everybody, it's Ben from Srkcycles.com, and today I've got a 2012 Yamaha Raider. This thing is super sweet. We just got it in. It's got the 1854cc motor and the 5-speed transmission. That's 113 cubic inches for all you guys who are trying to do the conversion. I looked it up, I'll admit that. But let's look around this thing. So the tire's got plenty of life left on it. It's actually a pretty wide back tire. Some of these Yamaha cruiser bikes do have those. Got turn signal. I like the brake light being up under there, under the rear fairing. We just looked at a Roadstar the other day that had that. It's got this pinstriping here on the rear fender. I really like this silver color. It actually shines a lot out in the sun. But you get a little bit of that here. It's looking good. There are no like scratches or dings or dents or anything back here. Coming here along the side, you can see that rear wheel in there. It has the rotor. Looking through the other side, you can see the belt drive. Well, we will look at that a little bit later. Got these sweet looking Cobra pipes. Big fan of those. Got your rear passenger pay here. And got this side panel. The side cover is looking good. There's some like speck. There's a speck right there my finger is. Not sure what that is. And right there. It's not really a chip though because it's all smooth. But anyway, come in here on the motor bay. Everything's looking good in there. Pretty shiny actually. Side cover with the star on it looks good. Again, you see another angle on those Cobra pipes. Got the passenger peg, rear brake. Look up here on the side of the tank. Got that matching pinstripe that's on the rear fender. There's nothing really there to point out that's negative. It's actually, the tank is in really nice shape. Again, it's that same silver color. I'd really like that silver color. Come up here in the front, you got the mirror, lever, controls. Going around out of the triple tree. It does have the small little windshield that deflects the wind up over your head. Alleviates some of that neck strain if you're riding with no windshield. These fork tubes are looking good. Lower fork tubes are also looking really good. There you can see the rotors, dual disc rotors up front. There's turn signal, headlight, and there you can get a good look at that front wheel. That's pretty sweet. Come around here on the front, we have the front fender. Again, we have this similar emblem as is pinstripe on the back fender and matching the tank on the side. There's one little mark there. I don't know what that's. A discoloration. It's not a chip. There are a few light marks here on this front fender, but no chips, which is good. Again, sometimes we see this front nose of the fender gets like all chipped up. This front tire has plenty of miles left on it. Not even close to being worn out. And you can see the rotor on the other side. Let's spin this thing around. We'll walk down the other side together. Do not miss out on the test drive that Sean did of this bike. It will be up on YouTube. There you can see the front wheel from the other side and that rotor. Check out the fork tubes. They are looking good. Good in here, just some little smudges. A little bit of that bug juice. Get those miles in. Gotta get some bugs on you somewhere, right? Got that turn signal. Got the mirror, control, lever, all that stuff. Looking good, looking good, looking good. This bike is super sweet. This is like the comparable to the Super Glide. Again, we'll go down this side of the tank. Looking good. No marks, no scratches, no dings. It's really nice when you see a bike like this. It is just really, really clean. Sometimes we see them, sometimes we don't. This side panel has a mark right there. See right above my finger. And also right there. You can see the motor is looking good. No rust, no oil leaking out, none of that. See your transmission, got your rider peg, shift knob. Down there's your kickstand. You can see the side panel is also in really nice shape. there's one light mark right there. You can see it right above my thumb. Coming here on the side of this rear fender is looking good. There's the belt that we talked about earlier. There's your belt guard and lower belt guard, swing arm. Belt looks to be in excellent shape. No cracking or wearing or anything like that. Bump over the rear fender and looking good. We looked at that a little bit earlier. Here's your passenger seat. Looking to be in really nice shape for riding two up. It's your main seat. It's got the deep dish, a little bit of that backrest there. Coming up over the tank. Look here, there's nothing to even report, really. No chips or scratches or dings or dents or any of that. Again, it's really nice to find a bike like this that's this clean. There's your gauges. You can look at the mirrors and the controls. Press the handlebar. There's your ignition. All the same. Turn this bad boy on. Sweep there. It's got 10,000 miles, 10,134. It's in neutral. We'll start this bad boy up. Shut it down and give me talk a little bit. So we're gonna make sure the gauges work. Yeah, the gauges. We're gonna make sure the signals work. We did see the gauges. They do work. Everything on this bike works, which is awesome. There's your front signal, rear signal, and front signal. There you go, guys. This is a 2012 Yamaha Raider. Don't miss out on the test drive. Don't miss out on this bike. This bad boy is not gonna last long. Thanks for watching, guys.